Welcome to 3-Minute Motivation, your go-to source for self-help and personal development. Today we're tackling a common challenge that many of us face, procrastination. Let's dive into 5 simple steps you can take to overcome procrastination and boost your productivity. Step 1. Organise your environment. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind. Take a few minutes to tidy up your workspace. Remove any distractions and create a clean, organised environment that encourages focus and efficiency. When your space is clear, your mind can be too. Step 2. Break tasks into smaller steps. Large tasks can feel overwhelming and lead to procrastination. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This makes it easier to start and gives you a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step. Remember, every small step forward is progress. Step 3. Use the Pomodoro Technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a task without interruption. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. Repeat this process. The Pomodoro Technique helps maintain focus and prevent burnout. It's amazing how much you can achieve in short, focused bursts of time. Step 4. Prioritise your tasks. Identify the most important tasks on your to-do list and tackle them first. Completing high-priority tasks can create momentum and motivate you to keep going. Start your day with a win and you'll feel more motivated to continue being productive. Step 5. Reward yourself. Give yourself something to look forward to after completing a task, whether it's a short walk, a favourite snack, or a few minutes of relaxation. Small rewards can provide a motivation and make the work feel more enjoyable. Positive reinforcement can help build better habits. Thank you for watching. By organising your environment, breaking tasks into smaller steps, using the Pomodoro Technique, prioritising your tasks and rewarding yourself, you can overcome procrastination and achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks to improve your life. See you next time on 3-Minute Motivation.